My name is Christina Walden, and this is my PowerPoint project over hepatitis C. What is hepatitis C? Hepatitis C is a viral infection that causes liver inflammation, sometimes leading to serious liver damage. The structure of hepatitis C: the virus particle consists of a lipid membrane envelope that is 55 to 65 nanometers in diameter. Two viral envelope glycoproteins, E1 and E2, are embedded in the lipid envelope. They take part in viral attachment and entry into the cell. Within the envelope is an icosahedral core that is 33 to 40 nanometers in diameter. There are 8 stages of life pertaining to hepatitis C. Stage 1, HCV makes itself at home in a liver cell. The virus is covered with a coating that contains specific proteins. The proteins locate and attach to an element on the surface of your liver cell called a receptor, and the receptor receives signals for your liver cell. Stage 2, the virus enters your liver cell's outer barrier. The barrier surrounds the virus, it swallows it, and it brings it into the cell. The virus coating breaks down. The viral RNA carrying genetic information is released into your liver cell. Stage 4, the viral RNA prepares to reproduce. It mimics your liver cell's RNA and begins producing its RNA materials. The viral RNA constructs a template for replicating itself, and it is then cloned over and over to create new viruses, and that was stage 5. So stage 6 is the virus's coating is made of different protein-based coverings. Stage 7, protein units called capsosmeres come together and form new particles around the viral RNA. It makes the covering shaped like a sphere, known as a capsid. The capsid protects the virus's genetic material. Stage 8, the new virus creates a bud within itself, inside, and a protective coating surrounds the bud. It's released through the barrier of your liver cell, ready to infect other living cells or other liver cells. The process continues until the infected liver cell dies. How is hepatitis C transmitted? The hepatitis C virus usually spread when someone comes into contact with blood from an infected person. What mechanism causes hepatitis C? So sharing drug injection equipment. So today, most people become infected with the virus by sharing needles, syringes, or any other equipment used to prepare and inject drugs. Certain common signs or symptoms for hepatitis C include jaundice, which is yellow discoloration of the skin and eyes, easy bruising and bleeding, dark colored urine, light colored stools, fatigue, abdominal pain, loss of appetite, nausea, diarrhea, fever, accumulation of fluid, which is swelling, which is around the abdominal cavity, and itching. The diagnosis of hepatitis C: blood tests are recommended initially to screen hepatitis C infection. The doctors may recommend additional tests to check and to basically just check the liver damage before prescribing you any type of medication. The treatment for hepatitis C. So there isn't a vaccine for hepatitis C that is available. So medicines can cure most cases of hepatitis C, but a combination of antiviral medications are prescribed depending on the genotype of the virus, as well as viral load and the presence of any liver damage. Prevention of hepatitis C. So you should avoid using drug injecting equipment, avoid any type of acupuncture such as tattooing or ear piercing where the equipment is not known to be sterilized. And also you should practice safe sex. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you.